What's up guys, this one's part 5 building my dream garage. So today is the day for the trusses. So I rent the forklift's cheaper than crane, so here it is over there. So it's not that much hard to operate. I used before the newer version. If you saw on my YouTube channel, that one I thought a little bit harder, but that one's easy, and this one's easy too, but it's older model. If it is the newer one, it'd be better, much more easier. The joystick will be one place, not two places. This one, there are difference to both of them. So yeah, so if the forklift doesn't reach down there, we need to move the trusses. All of them need to be moved on this side, because the forklift, if doesn't reach from there, from the gravel down there, I don't think it will reach. If it doesn't reach, we need to move all of them to be going all the way in, and then to make it. Otherwise the scissor lift, you need to move on that side. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Alright guys, all done. 7 truss in. Only the hardest part was the last one because the electric line. So we need to go back all the way and then start from there and come over here. It's tricky. The first time it was out, I put on this side, and on that side was so high and I cannot put it on. And then somehow we figured it out. So yeah, I think it was a recording after the last one. I think the battery dead, so I can't do anything about that one. And then over here we need to put the truss outside because that one, the boom doesn't, it's not long enough to reach over there. We need to go all the way in halfway to make it reach out down there. So the all truss was outside and some of them we left them here. So all done. But if you're scared height, you can't go with the scissor lift. If I go all the way up 20 feet, oh, it's so scary. If you go, and then it is shaking the scissor lift a little bit. Oh, it's so scary. I don't know how I'm going to do the roof, especially because it's too high. It's very high. I don't know. On video, it doesn't look like it's high, but it is so high. I mean, I'm scared to go all the way up of 20 feet. So I don't know how I'm going to do the roof, especially. So I didn't bolt it in, so I'm going to do it after I put the. I need to hit it by hammer first, and then yeah, and then I can bolt it in. But before I bolt it in, I think I need to put the hatch channel down there, around there. So if I do last time, I can put the truss in because there's a gap a little bit. You need to be insert, so the U channel will be around here. So if I bolt it in, it doesn't get in the trusses. So all done. It takes us almost for 6 hours to do it. Before on the morning, we need to arrange it. We are planning to do it by the machine to move it, the trusses, and then there was some issues, so we did it by hand. All of them, move them outside, but we could do by the forklift, but just messing it up. So I understand, that's the matter. Maybe tomorrow I'm going to work after, maybe Monday, maybe, I'm not sure, maybe Monday I'm going to start maybe Monday on this side. Hopefully I'll finish it. So I need to put the post down here and bolt it in over there on this side and the door side to I need to finish it. Maybe I'll do the hot channels. I'll go up. I don't know what for the roof. It'll be harder. It's too high. I'm going to scared. I'll be scared down there. But only matters in now will be I don't know, it is hard. It will be harder for the roof, for the wall, kind of. So my family came and helped me. So if you saw on the video, 2 people helped me, otherwise I can do it alone. My neighbors asked me that if I need you, I'll call you. So we finish it. Maybe the roof side, maybe I'm going to ask them because I'm scared going up there, especially. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and you write your comment down below if you have some tricks to help me. Write your comment down below. So until next time, bye.